The form 1 is the relation between work and heat energy. This is the form 1. Actually they define the relation between the work and heat energy. So this statement, whenever a mechanical work is spent in producing heat, then definite quantity of heat is produced. Conversely, this one, when heat is given, that I am writing, the heat is given to do work, the same different amount of heat is disappears for work. That means they are vice versa to each other. So if W is equal to amount of work done, I am taking the W is equal to amount of work, and this is capital W, is equal to amount of heat produced. Though these are vice versa, I am taking the work and heat. So W is proportional to H, or simply you can write that W equal to GH, where G is the constant, where J is called Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat. This is the form number 1. So now come to the form number 2. This form number 2 is form number 1, and this is your form number 2. Here it is the particular, this is actually the particular form of the form number 2 is of the heat, of the general law of conservation of energy. This form number 2 is the law of conservation of energy. So how we can briefly describe this one? Suppose you supply, suppose we supply dq amount of heat to the body, then it's spent in 3 ways. That means in 3 ways it will be spent. rising its kinetic energy, rising potential energy, rising external work. Three things are there. So now if we will take duk, a change in internal kinetic energy, change in internal kinetic energy, I am writing the key. dup you can take same, that is your change in potential, internal potential, that is internal potential. Then dw, that is your external work done. Now then dq is equal to duk plus dup plus dw. This is the equation number 1. As you know, that duk plus duv, that is your du, that is called the increase in total kinetic energy, increase in total kinetic energy. So hence we can write equation 1 as dq is equal to du plus dw, or we can write dq is equal to du plus pdv, because as you know that as dw is equal to pdv. So this is the first and the second form of the first law of thermodynamics, that is dq is du plus pdv. This is the actual mathematical form. So this is the completion of the first law of thermodynamics. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.